tried to make this plant flat carrier so it's relatively small when you're not using it and holds like 10 plant flats. Let's see how long it takes to put it together. So these can go either way, up or down, doesn't matter. Put it down, and then you start assembling these pieces. These have an outside and an inside. Inside up, inside up. So this would be wrong, because that's the outside, and this would be right. We also have a little mark here to help you line them up on the bottom. On the top, they're pretty easy to line up. You'll make them flush with the top of the roof of this compartment. But line up this first part is a little trickier. Push them down so they're firmly in. Take your next piece, line it up on top here, and get it in place. Set it down. Next set of uprights. Outside, inside. Inside, up. Oh yeah, so that's down, this is up. That's why it says up. After you do it once or twice, it'll become second nature. But the first time may be a little challenging. We're going to see. It took me about 7 minutes the first time I put it together. Let's see if I do any better here on the second shot. Inside, outside, upside down, good ascending, inside out, upside down, ascending. So if you start these roofs at one end, it goes a little easier, and then they kind of fall into place inside. Following my own rules here, outside, roof. I'm going to start the roof at the end here. Alright. Line that up. And if you can see it's poking out at any place, you want to make that adjustment now. It'll be a lot easier for you. Alright, I think that's pretty good. And then we just have to put on the front and the back. Oh wait, we have to load in our plants first. So, load the plants in. 1, 2, put them side by side. Oh! You should be more careful with your plants. Your plants will appreciate that. And put one on the floor here. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Actually, 8 plant flats, not 10. But you could put a final one on the roof here if I designed that a little bit differently. Inside, no, this is the outside. Turn it around, this side is up, inside. So you're going to start it at the very top and feed it onto each of these little fingers sticking out. And all the fingers are lined up. It'll slide in place pretty easily. And feel like how wibble wobble a little bit. Slide it down, that's good. Go over this side. Is this the inside? No, it's the outside. Is this the upside? Yes, it's the upside. Okay, now you get to see this a little differently. So you hook it over these top hooks, fingers, and then gradually work it onto each of the lower ones. It is a little more tricky than I thought it to be, but not impossible. Okay, done. Now we're just going to wrap a string around the whole thing so that you can pick it up. I made these special little string holders here. So, I haven't figured out a good way to do this yet. I will freely admit that. Because I like the idea that all the pieces are interchangeable. Make it as simple as possible. That does mean that cord will go on here. We tie this on. Maybe I can make that somehow easier to do. And done. There you go. 5 minutes.